Hey guys, what's up? So today we're top best trade tweets for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweet is called Pencil Charging Indicator. And what this tweet does, it makes charging that's born with the Apple Pencil charging animation from the iPad Pro 2018. Next tweet is called Cuboid. And next tweet is called Cuboid. And what this tweet does, a lightweight home screen layout manager. And this tweet is called Juice by Spark. It's unparalleled battery customization. This is called Magma Evo and redefine your control center. This is called Tiny Banners 2 and let you remove those annoying big notifications from iOS and replace them with tiny ones. This is called Puck and prevent the need of jailbreaking. This is called Volume Step 1314, change the volume step limits. This is called 420 Tools, a common library for my tweets. This is called Theos Auto Installer. Theos Auto Installer, Unc0ver, Checkra1n, Odyssey for developers. This is called Safari Plus. It's actually finally updated. Gives you a bunch of features for Safari. So you have privacy features, upload and download feature, usability, actions, gestures. So you have a bunch of cool features. So it actually supports from iOS 8.0 up to 14.3. And this is called Woozer Pro, and it's the best all-in-one caller identification solution for your iDevice. So it helps identify, who's calling you. This is called Emerald Status Bar Widgets, so enhances your status bar with intuitive interactive widget, so it displays relevant information as required. This is called PassBy, with iOS 9 through 14, open source tweet that gives you many passcode customization options. This is called Lyrics, and get lyrics of your currently with the lyrics of your current song playing anywhere. This is called A Bypass, and new so what it does, it enables hook SVC 80 in advanced settings, so it may help bypass certain apps, which is basically a jailbreak detection bypass tweak. And this is called Better Alarm, a beautiful timer and alarm screen. This is called DND Switch, enables or disables Do Not Disturb with the silent switch. This is called CC Vibration, with iOS 11, 12, and 13, requires CC support. The control center module to enable or disable vibration. And the last tweak is called Fastell, and basically, what this tweak is, disable.
What would you like me to?
Quiet. Disables the annoying delete word function and enables rapid characters deletion instantly. So you can see right there, type in, and you can choose how fast you want to delete the words. So pretty cool. But yeah guys, I'll catch you next one. Peace.